Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule an Arizona MVD appointment on AZMVD now at Gov. So this is very helpful because you can book your time ahead and you might find out your service can be done online so that you don't need to visit an office. So to get started, go to azmvdnw or now.gov, then click schedule an appointment at the top. Enter your info and then follow the prompts. So if you already activated your account, sign in with your email and password, or use Google if you activated it that way. So on your dashboard, click schedule an appointment. And from the right side, or find it under my account. So choose your appointment type like travel ID, renewals, permits, or test. And make sure that you read the requirements on the page because some services need documents or extra steps. Then pick your location, date, and time. And if no times shows up, choose another date, select a time, and then click schedule. And then you'll get your confirmation and appointment details. You can print it, and when you arrive, scan the barcode at check in. And if you need to reschedule, cancel the appointment first, then book a new one the same way. So, thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.